Thank you for trusting the process. There's nothing greater than creating art. I hope these moments you cherish them because these are moments we can't play back.
Moeketsi,
Till next time.
Mercury, join the seat. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good.
Okay. Okay.
So, please do tell us firstly about how was the first process of working with the choreographer from your audition? Let's start at your audition.
For my audition, wow, I feel like I'm gonna expose a lot of what I felt during that day. But let's hope that nothing changes from here on out. Because first day of auditions, it genuinely felt like I hated the choreographer. Like genuinely, like I did not like you.
Honestly, dear.
Yes. But as we progressed, my dislike grew smaller and smaller and smaller. And yeah, I like you a lot better now. So that's a good thing. But like, yeah, there was a reason why I didn't dislike you. And it was the fact that yes, you made me become vulnerable, which is, as you can tell, not a lot of NSA kids like being vulnerable, including myself. So that was a new experience for me. It was eye opening.
Mars, Mars, Mars. Yes, 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 yes.